Tuloy-tuloy ang pag-expand ng Connex International Incorporated sa Nepo Center matapos ang latest contract signing nila with JDN Realty Group para sa bagong opisina sa second floor ng Entec 1 sa siyudad ng Angeles. From just one floor noong 2020, lumawak sila sa 5th floor by 2022 at ngayon, 3 palapag na ang sakop nila. Ibig sabihin lang nito, lumalaki hindi lang ang negosyo, kundi pati ang tiwala nila sa JDN bilang partner.
I think the people in JDN are wonderful. Like I said earlier, including everybody from the security people, the maintenance people, they're very cooperative, and it's very much like being part of our family.
Para sa JDN, hindi lang ito simpleng lease deal. Isa itong validation ng vision nila to create business spaces that help companies grow habang tumutulong din sa local community.
Try to cascade kung ano yung mga how do you call this, the feel of the Nepo family. We try to cascade it to our employees, and then we want them to cascade it down to the lowest employee to the frontliners in effect.
Bukod sa expansion, malaking ambag din ng Connex sa local economy at BPO industry dahil habang lumalaki ang operations nila, mas maraming trabaho ang nalilikha para sa mga taga-Angeles at karatig lugar.
Next isn't your typical BPO. We're not a call center. So we have accountants, nurses, medical billers. We're a staffing company. So that's even more significant to me because it helps local Filipinos exercise what they went to school for and what they aspire to do.
Ang bagong 5-year lease sa second floor ay patunay ng pangmatagalang commitment ng Connex sa Nepo Center at sa community na unti-unti nitong binubuo at pinapalago. Asahan pa ang mas maraming collaborations at shared growth stories mula sa solid partnership ng JDN Realty at Connex. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.